Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions we have solved a problem related to the factorials, and today we are going to solve another problem. The problem is this is find n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. The condition is this is this is n is 6 and r is 3 or 4. Right, we cannot write this as r greater than 6. See this one. If I write r is greater than 6, then it will be the 6 minus like this example. This r is 7. The 7 minus 6 minus 7 is minus 1. Minus 1 factorial we don't know, right? So it must be greater. This is greater than equal to 0. This is denominator. That means n minus r. So r could be anything apart from this greater than 6. So here the r is at least this is less than equal to 6. Right? Well, what will be the 6 minus 6 0 factor? We will discuss later on. Right? So the r is, I was going to write this as r is 4. Right? Then the solution is I just going to put the value of r and n. So n is 6 factorial divided by n is 6 minus 4. This is put r factorial. So that is equal to 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 4, 2 factorial. And now this 2 cannot be break down to up side. That means we cannot write 2. It is 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So 2 is can be break only 2 into 1, and 6 can be break out till 2 factorial. If you are unable to understand, so you can just writing the second one. Now that is 6 factorial means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and write the again 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2 into 1, right? So 2 into 1, 2 into 1 cancel out because these are in multiples, and that is also in multiple. If it is in a plus or a minus, we cannot cancel out. So now what we have, this is we have 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. This is 6 5 is 30, 34 is 120, 123 is 360, right? So this is 360. That is the answer, right? And now the another questions I just solve this another questions like if I have 1 upon 7 factorial plus 1 upon 6 factorial is equal to this is x upon 8 factorial. Like this is x upon 8 factorial. This is basically NCERT questions. And now find out the x. Now find x. Now this is the solutions for that. See this one. There is 7 factorial, 6 factorial, x upon 8 factorial. It is in form of the factorials. So then we have to break down in the numbers. See which one is the lowest factorial. This is 6 is the lowest factorial, right? In these terms, and 7 can be break out in 6 factorial, and 8 is also can be break out in 6 factorial. So I'm just going to try this one. This is the solution. 1 upon 7 factorial. This is 7 factorial means 7 into 6 factorial plus 1 upon 6 factorial means 6 factorial is equal to x upon 8 factorial means 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Right? Now see this one is the 6 factorial is common in all 3 denominators, and if I take 1 upon 6 factorial is common, so what we have 1 upon 7 plus 1 is equal to x upon 8 into 7 into 1 upon 6 factorial. It is both the meaning are the same. You can cancel out this 6 factorial also if you understand this one. 1 upon 6 factorial, 1 upon 6 factorial cancel out. Both are in multiply, and both are in LHS and RHS. And now we have this is LCM. We have 7. This is 1 plus 7, 8. is equal to x upon 8 into 7. And 7 cancel out, right? 7 cancel out, and this is 8 is equal to x upon 8. And if cross multiply this one, so x into 8, x into 1, x at 8 into 8, 64. So this is x is equal to, we have 64, right? Then x is equal to 64. So that is a solution of this one. And the question could be could be anything, where you have to find out, maybe there will be quadratic equations and we have to solve this quadratic equations. If I get the quadratic equations, then we have to solve this quadratic equations, right? So similar type of questions could be asked, right? So see this one, and that is the factorials which we have solved. And next we will discuss the this is fundamental principle of counting, which is not in the course, but however, for the understanding of the permutations we need this one, right? Thank you students.